Hey guys, this is Fundo on MaNdlovu. Tonight on Imbewu, MaZulu draws uncomfortable with Phakade advance. After sebenzile admit to use Muti on Phakade, Kamadonsela lays out there bind she now in. Phunyuka visits Mzwandile and confirms his hunch after telling MaNdlovu she arrived at Maluju and slapped Makhosazane through the face. And Mzwandile tell Phunyuka that he was sent by Makhosazane and he hid Nkululeko. While Nairobi tell Mira that he must don't care about the community, but he must stick on his pregnancy. And Jyoti see that Mira is accepted by Nairobi on her house. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.